Program Director, His Excellency, the Ambassador of Denmark, Mr. Tobias Elling Refeld, and we were not aware there were going to be other ambassadors as well, so all the other ambassadors welcome to this event as well. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to welcome you to the launch of the Denmark exhibition. This follows the request from the local Danish embassy to have an exhibition within the Tshwane House building from 1st March of this year. The city of Tshwane and the Danish embassy in South Africa have a long-standing working relationship. A project-based memorandum of understanding was signed in September 2017 by the city of Tshwane and Aarhus, where both parties agreed to collaborate in the following areas: city planning and spatial development, growing business, workplace and livelihoods, environmental sustainability, green building benchmarking, agribusiness, economic development and city growth. Since 2017, the two cities have exchanged several technical visits, study tours and training sessions of officials through programs such as the NIDA Masters Program, including short courses on the green economy. In order to strengthen the relationship between the cities and ensure the identification and implementation of programs, the city of Tshwane and the city of Aarhus have established a project management team. Projects that the cities have partnered on include Salvokop in Region 3. The city is divided into 7 regions, so this particular project is what we call Region 3. Salvokop presents a special opportunity for regeneration of the inner city. It was also selected due to its location close to the transport station, which has different modes of transport and an opportunity to integrate these transport modes and link the Salvokop with the Pretoria city centre, which currently is a challenge. The Tshwane-Aarhus collaboration in the Pretoria West, and I don't know what the abbreviation stands for, it says HHL3 zone, so someone can explain afterwards what is meant by HHL3 zone. The primary aim of this project between the city of Aarhus and the city of Tshwane is to develop a strategy for the inclusion of processes and technology that will reduce non-revenue water, probably losses in the selected area. The hydropower initiative as the Salvokop Reservoir. The aim of this project is to design an embedded energy production system, in brackets hydropower, at the existing water reservoirs in the Salvokop precinct and formulate a strategy for the implementation thereof. This international engagement will not only change the face of Tshwane, but it also establishes beneficial connections in order to facilitate material transformation in the lives of the residents. I thank you very much.